Hello! Wait, oh no, I did it wrong. What is up, guys? My name is Ghost Runner, and today we're gonna be playing Ratchet and Clank. This is probably part 4. Yes, it is actually part 4. Sorry I messed up on the intro there. I'm really tired. Because I've been doing a lot of work today, and I'm basically brain dead. So yay! Brain dead! I'm so excited! Especially for any puzzles that might come up. Who knows? It's Ratchet and Clank. We'll never know. Anyways, so in the previous episode, went to Metropolis, did an obstacle course, got the SWINGSHOT, and then got Clank upgraded with a kind of a heli thing. If you have not watched any of my past videos, please make sure to watch those just to understand what's going on with the whole story. Otherwise you're going to be really confused of what's going on. So, I'm going to start playing now. Okay, I don't know what weapon I'm equipped with, so I'm just going to go with Blaster. Oh, no. Oh, come on! Bomb Glove. Ugh. Oh, God, throw! Come on. Come on! Oh, God! Thank heavens. I almost died from that. Oh! That was stressful. Kind of. Not really. It kind of got me really intense though. Oh, come on. Really? Really? Am I seriously gonna have to deal with this guy? Okay. Buddy, you're gonna end up just like your friends. Torched to death. Or God dang! I can't think. There. Yay. Money. No gold. Bolt. Oh, and I also got my first gold bolt in the last episode. Pretty sad, but you know, everything helps, right? Oh, I didn't see that for a second. I'm like, oh, okay. Oh, crud, I just realized I didn't have the camera all set up. Because I turned it off and all that. I am terribly sorry. Oh, no. Oh no! I'm so sorry. I didn't realize the screen was small until like I actually looked at the camera. I'm so sorry. And it doesn't even look good now. I'm gonna like put it a little closer. Oh shoot. It's like, oh no. Okay, let me fix this up real quick. There we go. That's good enough. Good enough. Okay, that's good enough. I am terribly sorry. I didn't notice that. So, I am so sorry. I don't know why I'm saying sorry over and over again. I just feel really bad about that. Have I done everything in Metropolis? Yeah, I have. Oh. That's awesome and accomplishing, yet I'm like, yay. Now I have to go to another planet and deal with whatever they have. Alright. Login site. Eudora. Mamma mia. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh really? Wait, how many is in Metropolis? There's 3. There's 3. Oh, I forgot to use the SWINGSHOT in the planet Iridia. I'm just looking at the current objectives. So I'm gonna go back to this planet and actually use the SWINGSHOT because I got that now. Because why not? I think that'd take like a total of like at least 5 minutes. And then we can get to the logging planet. Okay. So I'm actually gonna need a weapon. Actually, maybe not. Oh yeah, I might need a weapon. Well, maybe not. See how this goes. There we go. I could just fight him with my wrench. No. Just because there's bad camera angles doesn't mean you can just sneak up on me like that. Yeah. I'm smart. I hate your flamethrower. Mine's better. I guess I'm not gonna really be that talkative. I'm probably gonna be pretty silent sometimes. I mean, I bet I'm probably gonna make like a noise like, yeah, that's pretty cool. But like honestly, like sometimes when I'm like really just like collecting stuff, I don't really have anything else to talk about. But man, just playing this game is pretty fun, to tell you the truth. Is there anything really to collect? No, there isn't. That's dumb. There we go. Collect some bolts before moving on, because that's how this game works. You gotta collect a bunch of bolts just to continue on with a lot of things. Like, if you don't have a certain amount of bolts just to buy something, you won't be able to continue on to the story. You have to collect more bolts. So that's why I'm like going around and like collecting all the bolts, so I don't have to like deal with it and like not have enough money to like buy some weaponry that would be really helpful. So I'm double checking to make sure that I collect all the bolts, because that's really important about games like these. And if you don't, it's just, you're really not going to do well in this game. No! Really?
You can reverse your camera control. Just select camera.
No! Really? Thanks a lot, Sherlock. Unless, like, someone actually, like, was like, oh, that's what happens? Really? I would be pretty surprised. The only thing that I would be surprised about is, like, if it's, like, someone who's not used to video games. Like this, or something like that. I feel pretty bad if I'm, like, insulting them. So I apologize if I did. But, like, okay. It's just sometimes, I don't know how exactly people can find video games really challenging. I mean, like, yeah, I can get it if it's like, on like a really hard level, like you put the difficulty to way hard or something, or like, just like it's a puzzle or something. But like, if it's like just the controls you're having trouble with, I mean, you'd have to be like, I guess it'd have to be something that you're used to. Like if you've played like PS3 for a long time, then like you play an Xbox controller, you're like, oh, how do you do this? It's not that hard, to tell you the truth, to do that though, because they basically have the same controls. I mean, it's a little different. They got a couple different ones for that. So like, but basically the different thing is just the colors and how they number their buttons. Well, not number, but like they have they basically have letters for buttons. Instead of like for the PS3, it's X, square, basically shapes. Oh, and here's the puzzle. Yeah, shut up. I don't care. Shush. Okay, I like this kind of puzzle thing. It's pretty cool. But like, as I play this game, it gets way harder. I can guarantee, if you play this game, it's gonna get harder. So I'm gonna take a little looky real quick. Is there anything? No, it's not. Yeah. Oh wait, was there something up there? Oh no. God, I hope there wasn't. That would suck. I think there might have been a gold bolt up there. I don't really remember, but I used to like really be addicted to the beginning of this game. But like then I just got like rage quitted. But this time I am for sure continuing this whole thing. I'm gonna beat this game for you guys. And like, if you enjoyed the first game, I'll probably do more of the Ratchet and Clank games. Oh shoot. But like, yeah, I'll just be. Other than that, if you like have any recommendations of what games I should play, you can always suggest what I should play. If you don't have any recommendations, if I don't see any, I guess I'll just basically like just randomly choose a game.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant! Yes, sir. You have fulfilled your dream. Baird, we are ready to return to base. Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
Wow. That guy's got some serious anger management. Destroy everything. I guess. Okie dokie. Guess we could just start off right off the bat. Just go here. I'll check out the other stuff later on, but like, I'm just gonna like show you quickly how to get to the general. And if I have time, I'll show you a little bit of the other planet. Oh, is the general not even here yet? He was. I think. I guess not. Maybe he's like, way farther ahead, I guess. I hate switching. So annoying. Yeah, there we go. Oh, great. They move. Oh, God. Please don't do that again. Grab it. Oh, God. Okay. Okay. Oh, God. No. Don't die, Ghost Runner. Don't die. You've still got a journey of suffering. Yeah. This is it. Oh, really? Wait, you could just... Okay. How am I gonna do this? Oh. No? Yeah. Okay. Then like I need more. Aha! Then there's the general. I didn't lie. I knew where he was.
You sure showed him. I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Clank. We here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind food tester. Animal husbandry. Robot. Cannon test dummy. And administrative assistant. So follow BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some. No, we must continue on to forecast.
That is so terrible.
Absolutely right. I am. Sure. We need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is? I suppose. Well, we go to the space station and we talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is. I am unsure about your logic. You think too much. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, you think too much. Let's just charge right in. That is a smart idea. I am smart. Shut up, Clank. Nobody suspects a thing. Yeah. You think you have a big axe? No, this is the ultimate weapon of pain. Okay, so we're going to be doing I'll do a little bit of, this map. I'll go look at the Gadgetron here. Oh man! I'm pretty close to getting that, I guess I'll just have to, like, kill a bunch of these guys and steal their guts. Don't worry, it's logical. Kill. Yeah. You won't push your head. Come on. Okay, there we go. Oh, I just remembered another way you can deal with those explosive type of boxes. Is you can just throw your wrench at it. I really wish I thought of that at the beginning, but I don't really throw my wrench that much, to tell you the truth. It's not really a skill that I use. See, like that. But I used to use it a lot just for the explosive boxes, really. So we're gonna check up here real quick, because I know there's definitely a gold bolt, I think, up here. So I'm just gonna show you how to get that real quick. Like, don't you like get pushed back up? Oh really? No? Okay. Die. Yay! I got more of their body part, robot part, thingy, my bobbers. Yes, I spoke English. Yay me! Hey, yeah, more ammo to kill. Hehehe. Yes, die. Yes, power. I'm sorry. I'm going a little insane on this. There we go. When am I gonna need to kill these guys? Bomb. Oh no. I actually got hurt? I can't really tell because like the camera's in the way. Oh well. Oh boy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you want to fight? Fight me, fight me. See what happens when you fight me? You die. Die! Okay, I think that's, hold up. There we go. That is all I have time for today. So leave a like if you did. Subscribe to become awesome, even though you're probably already awesome. You'll become even more awesome. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!